Welcome to the 40 Love V2 training on using the wizard to set a league or tournament live. Here we'll cover everything you need to know about how the wizard makes it easy for you to get started. So what is the wizard in 40 Love? The wizard has several important functions. It helps with managing the going live process with box leagues, tournaments, or any type of event. It can also be used to create a championship draw bracket. But perhaps most importantly, it simplifies the most tedious part of box league management, creating the next round. Let's start with box leagues and how to set a league live.
In this video, we're focusing on setting a league live. Here, we've got a league with 35 players registered. Your job now is to place the players into the league by transferring them from the pre-registration section. You can do this one at a time using the transfer button next to each player's name or in bulk using the top transfer button. Next, you need to make sure each player starts in the correct division. To do this, enter a division number next to each player's name. That number determines which division they'll be placed in when the league goes live. You can also do this step directly in the wizard, which is where we're heading now. Under the Functions drop-down menu, choose to set the league live. This will launch the wizard. Every pop-up warning you see is there for a reason. Read them carefully. They guide you through the process and make sure you're doing everything correctly. Once inside the wizard, you'll see a clear list of instructions explaining the steps involved in setting your league live, including how to get help if you need it. Let's get started. Click the Start button. Now, just like before, we need to ensure all players are assigned to the correct divisions. You can do this here in the wizard or from the general leaderboard page as we did earlier. Important note, you won't be able to proceed unless every player is placed into a division. So let's get these players placed. You'll notice each player's skill level is shown in brackets next to their name. This skill level is based on the sport being played. If you're unsure where a player belongs, you can click their name to open a full match history, super helpful for fair positioning. As each player is assigned a division number, they'll appear in the leaderboard grouped with their fellow division players. Once you're happy with the placements, the Final Checks button will appear. Final Checks. Here you can make any last-minute changes before the league goes live. Double-check the start and end dates, number of sets, weighted value, and so on. All good. Let's move on and set the league live. As soon as you do, the system will prompt you to create the matches. Think of it this way. If you're in a division with 6 players, you'll have 5 matches to play, and you'll need somewhere to input those results. That's what we're setting up here. Depending on the size of the league and number of divisions, this might take a few moments. Once that's done, the final step is to inform your players that the league is live. Click the email button to load the message editor. This might take a moment, especially if the league includes a lot of players, or if it's a doubles league. Once the email window appears, choose a template or write your own message, style it however you like, and click Send. Since we're using dummy data here, I won't send the email. I'll just close the window. And that's it. The league is now live, and your players can start arranging matches and get playing. One final thing. Don't forget to check the rules by clicking on the Rules button and checking the information shown is accurate and represents your club's playing format.